Hi guys, welcome to my video log. I'm with my good friend Mickey here about 3 or 4 miles from Edinbane, if you know Isle of Skye, having a wonderful walk on a sunny day. The sun has just come out and we are near a waterfall. I don't know the name, but I'll find out. And it's absolutely a gift here. And have a look at the views. On the other side of the waterfall is a big loch, probably Loch Snizot, I'm not quite sure. It goes right up to near Portree, when the name changes, I think. Lovely blue sky. On a day like this, I really feel so wonderful to be alive, with or without coronavirus. And you know, nothing is permanent, and coronavirus is not going to last. Nothing lasts. So why worry about it? I know it's easy to say. So wonderful. So just staying here for a few minutes, breathing fresh air, and then we'll head back to Edinbane, and then I'll go back to Treasland where I live. Have a late lunch. It is so meditative. You don't even have to sit down. You can just focus on the environment and the waterfalls. Concentrate on the breathing. And that's meditation. Such a wonderful place to be. Alright guys, be safe. Until next time, look after yourself. Bye for now.